guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdul Qadir.
Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, how are you? I'm doing all kinds of work like plumbing, electrical, AC and maintenance. If you have any work, you can call me. My contact number is 05023283661. Thank you.
He is doing very well work. He know all kind of works like electrical work and AC, fridge, refrigerator and washing machine, everything. He know all works, all kind of works. He's working in Shamkha, Abu Dhabi, Shamkha, Al Falah and Shawama, this area surrounding. If you have any kind of works, you can contact with him. He's very well worker.